Welcome to Emma's Natural Creations. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to see all my new videos. The video of today is a special video. Today I will show you how to make this animated subscribe and bell button. Before starting, I want to ask all the people who want to grow their channel to comment below in this video and ask YouTubers to support you. Ask YouTubers to support you in this video. I allowed you to do this in comments. So ask YouTubers to support you. Also ask me to support you in comments, but make sure to support people back and to subscribe to my channel. Let's grow together, small YouTubers, and let's support each others. Okay, so let's start. So we will try to download some documents that we will need. So I will go first to the video of my channel, this one. I will download it. The second thing is the hand. The third thing is to download the mobile, and the last thing is the bell button. So I'm gonna download it here. Here it is. So first of all, we want to choose a color. For me, I'm choosing the white. Add to it your mobile like this. And after that, add the video of your channel. In the third part, it's gone like this. This is the video of my channel, so I recommend you to register it first from your mobile so you can use it to do your video. This is the video. So the first thing we're gonna do is to enlarge the parts of the mobile and the white part, and then enlarge the whole project like this. Like this. Try to make it in one page. After that, you need to go to your video and to start it and do like me. Stop when you see the subscribe button becomes gray. See? Actually, before it becomes gray, this part, it's this part. Okay, in this part we will add a text. See? We'll add a text. I will choose this one, modern. So I will add it, and then what I'm gonna do is to click down to choose advanced modifications like this, and to go in the text, delete this and this, and click here, download the hand. We need to download the hand. Here it is, the hand, and put it here like this. Put the hand here, and then do an animation. I'm choosing this one, and then okay, so let's see what it came. It's exactly that, but we need it to be here. Let's see another time. No, we need it to be a little bit before the download button becomes gray. So let's see now. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna make it shorter like this, and I will do the same thing for the bell button. I will add the hand. So let's see when it becomes lighter. So it's here. So I will repeat the same process. I will add a text like this, double click here, advanced modifications, and I will delete the text and the things under the text like this, and I will download the hand like what I did for the subscribe button. So I will make it here, I will put it here, and I will Let it a little bit smaller. That's it. And I will add an animation, this one. Like this. Done. So let's see together. I think it should be here. No, I think it should be here. That's it. It's the right place. So I'm gonna make it a little bit shorter, like for the first one, like this. And I'm gonna add another text for the bell button that I will put here. But the text, this one should be in another part. So let's add another line for the text, another line like this. We need 2 lines. Okay, this is another line for the text, and we will put the second text here. And then I will double click, advanced modifications. I will delete the text, delete the red one, and I don't know why the hand is here. Oh yes. And then I will add the bell button. I think the bell button is here. Yes, here it is. And then make it a little bit smaller. And choose an animation for the bell. Let's choose animation with tiny zoom, and then okay, that's it. So let's see the results. So let's make this part shorter. So let's see again the result. That's it. Now we should cut all this part. Make this smaller. select just the video and cut it, and delete this part like this. After that, make these two parts shorter, as short as the video. That's it. Now what we're gonna do is to go select the parts of the video of my channel and start doing like this, because we need to put the video inside of the mobile like this. Select the mobile and make it bigger like this. Make it bigger. That's it. So let's see the result. No, don't. So we should make the hand. We should put the hand here. And for the other one, the same thing. Put it here, like this. And now try to add some music to your video. It's not music, but try to add the click, the sound of the click to your video to make it more expressive. So just the part that I want to add, it's this part. And after that, I'm gonna copy the click sound and paste it here. That's it. So this is the video. Let's see it together another time. That's it. So this is the final result of this video. I hope that you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Goodbye.